Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be smashing this stapler. Oh no! Oh god. Hey guys, take two here. Welcome back to another video. As I said before, today we're going to be smashing this beautiful stapler. I found it in the garbage at my school. Really? Really, Duck? Anyway, I found it in the garbage at my school, and my teacher said the spring was broken. So I took it. Yeah, I took it. And today, they're going to be smashing it. Yummy. It's strong. Anyway, let's go. Slow-mo take number 1. Damage, damage, damage. I filmed the entire other thing in slow motion. So yeah, that basically got no damage. Then I hit it with the hammer from the last video and yeah. Still no damage. Anyway, look how smooth that is. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, right, Mr. Hammer? Oh yes! This is honestly terrible. Slow-mo take number 2. Damage. There's, to be honest, the stapler is literally invincible. Like, I mean, you could throw it at the trash can. It's still perfect. It's still perfect. There's snow everywhere. Update. Okay. We have damage. We finally have damage. This piece came off. Yay. And what does the stapler look like without it? Pretty freaking ugly, actually. It's a really good aesthetic. And now, ABS plastic. Sorry, I had to. Okay, I get it. The kind of vlog style of the video. We are going to the park over there, and yeah. You know what? Fine. We're not gonna go to the park. It's gonna be our new fun playground. Welcome to Augie's Fun Playground. Today we are going to be having fun with our stapler. Stapler is a super fun revolutionary new game. You know what? I can't do that voice. But what is this? This hasn't happened before at all. We bend the metal. I remember when this was just a wee lad. I found him in the garbage. And I'm just making no revenue from these videos whatsoever. Because no one knows who I am. And everything. Anyway, damage. There's no damage. Remember when me and my friend Rowan, he didn't want to have his face shown? He smashed a Samsung, and he did this thing where he was like stepping on ants, and he just stepped on a bunch of ants. And after we finished recording it, he's like, can you cut that out, please? I'm like, fine, I'll cut it out. And when I was editing it, I literally just deleted every single clip because it was too long. I didn't want to edit it, especially on a freaking phone. So yeah, that's that for you. Fun playtime toy fun toy TV show is brought to you by the all new Super Hammer Tech by Hammer Tech. It can help you have fun. Help you have more fun with
you know, with your stapler. It's so much fun. So much fun. So buy it now or die.
This is super awkward. I'm probably acting like so weird, and there's people around, so. This is gonna be so much fun to edit and scream like the last video. JK, I'm not gonna do that at the end. I mean, watch the end for some bloopers, if there is any. Well, I mean, this thing fell off. Anyway, we're gonna go inside and do more destruction. Welcome to the inside of Augie's Fun Toy Shop. Really, I don't know what I'm saying. But there's the editing machine. So much fun, right? Anyway, back to the main attraction of the video. I'm just gonna have a very fun time. Oh gosh, this isn't working out how I expected it to work out. This might have to be two-part video. I think this will have to be two-part video. Two-part Vimeo. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, this is not bent because I just bent it. And headphones. And this thing. And of course, oh crap, I forgot to take a thumbnail shot. I'll just steal a stapler off the internet. Like I stole a hard drive off the internet in the last video, because my hard drive wasn't a Seagate one that I was smashing. I don't think we're gonna have any bad ideas with this, you know. This is what my hands are, the state of my hands. Right now I'm going to post an Instagram story asking if I should continue this video and add like a really epic part and like finish it like tomorrow, or should I finish the video and upload it today? So I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Okay guys, this is up to you. Should I continue making the video that I am making, or should I add a really epic part to the video but upload it tomorrow? Let me know. According to the Instagram story, we're gonna fill this up with max percentage of people wanted to me to add an epic part, so I'm gonna have an epic part. Let's do this. You'll be thinking, what is this epic part? Okay, well, we're gonna take all this crap. What is this? But that was underneath. Sorry. We can take all this. Okay, we can take all this. Yes. Go over there. We're gonna have a container. Let's see. Will this fit it? Oh no. This won't fit. Oh god. This won't fit. What will fit? What will fit? What will fit? I don't want to fit. Oh crap, doesn't work. Maybe over here? Are any over here? I don't know. It's not very much. Let me check up here. No. Much at all. There's stuff. It's perfect. It's okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this stuff into here. Yeah. Then we're gonna this. I'm just gonna do that on it. Anybody guess what I'm doing? Oh yes, oh yes. Ha. I'm gonna go with this down. Put it in the freezer. Now, let's take a look at the weird configuration here. Hold on. Yeah. Push that under there. And boom, Hey guys, I know this video was very late, but guess what? Stapler's back! And I've got some time on my hands, so let's finish this video once and for all. Here, the stapler. It's staying in my freezer so long that my dad moved it. So it wasn't really a convenient place, but let me get it out and thread it. Let's go. Oh god. Dun, 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 dun. You know what, let's do the next one. It's slow-mo. But, not good. That slow-mo shot was good. So what we got? We got this. Still kind of nice. It's flaky. The main attraction, the stapler. You know, just let's clear it out. It opened. There's the that's cold. Oh, I have an idea. Hold on. It's metal. It's rusted! My stapler. No stapler might rust on me. Oh crap, I missed it. Oh. Wait, I feel like a piece broke off, but it... Stupid stapler. What am I gonna do? Carpet. It doesn't break. Stickers just don't be broken, I guess. Just meant to be broken. Here's the other piece. It will never be broken, ever. And that's pretty much it for the video. Bye.